Hey everyone, there's only a couple more days left to join our Bag of Bones Halloween treat box class to go. With this class, you're going to be making 6 treat holders, which you can see here. This one's my favorite because he jiggles. We got a milk carton. This one could hold Hershey's Kisses. Mom has this really cool finger that pops out of this one. But you can fit whatever candies you want into these boxes, and you can make them all yourself. And so if you want to do this and learn how to make all of these, make sure that you're signing up for our class before October 4th. So in the class, you're going to get all the supplies to make the treat boxes, which is awesome, right? You're also going to get the Bag of Bones bundle. So that's the stamp set and the dies that go with this. So this is valued at $51.25. Plus you'll be getting a whole bolt of the black and very vanilla gingham ribbon. This is valued at $7. And then you're gonna get a whole pack of the Them Bones designer series paper. And this is at $12.50, you guys. So you're getting a lot of stuff in here. The class itself is $70 plus shipping. So keep in mind that that's going to the product. So you're getting this all in your hands. Just these 3 products right here, the paper, the bundle, and the ribbon is already valued at almost $71. So you're getting all of that to keep, use for other projects. Plus you're getting all the supplies and video tutorials and measurements to make all of these treat boxes yourself. So if you're interested, make sure that you join before October 4th so you don't miss out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks.